week. The problem reads, it is October 22nd. Shayna's birthday is December 18th. How many hours until Shayna's birthday? So, first thing, we want to make sure we understand the problem. It gives us two dates. The first one, October 22nd. The second date, December 18th. And we want to know how many hours until Shayna's birthday. So, before we can talk about hours, we have to figure out what? You got it. We got to figure out how many days it is. Once we figure out how many days it is from October 22nd to December 18th, then we've got to figure out how do we go from days to hours. So let's turn the page to a calendar. It said today was what day? October 22nd. So we're going to start at October 22nd and go over to December 18th and see how many days it is. Now if I go across the calendar, I'm counting one day at a time. But for level E super solvers, we know that we can go down the calendar and count 7 days at a time. So from the 22nd to the 9th, 29th is 7 days. I want to make sure I stay on that Monday line and go to the 5th. That's 14 days, counting by sevens. The 12th is 21 days. The 19th is 28 days. The 26th is 35 days. Still keeping on that line. The 3rd will be... Let me go back, I lost my track. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. This will be 42. The next one will be 49. The 17th will be 56. And then we got to go over one, so now I go by one. 57 days. So 57 days. Let's write that down. 57 days until Shayna's birthday. But did the problem ask me for days? No. What did it ask me for? You got it. Hours. So what's the relationship between days and hours? 1 day equals 24 hours. So in order to turn days into hours, I've got to multiply 57 times 24. So I'm doing a 2-digit multiplication problem. You all know any strategies for doing this? Okay, I'm just going to go with just the algorithm, which means just the computation. I'm going to do 4 times 7, which is 28. Put my 8 down, carry my 2. 4 times 5, which is 20. Plus 2 more is 228. So I multiply 57 times 4. Now I'm multiplying 57 times 20. So I'm going to put a 0 down. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry my 1. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Now I just have to add those two together. Since I have run out of space, I'm going to write it on the side. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. And we just have a 1 to bring down in my comma. So, from October 22nd to December 18th is 1,368. 1,368 what? Hours. Attend to precision to details. 1,368 hours. Did you get that? I hope you did, but if not, remember, it's not about the answer, it's about the process. See you next time on Super Solvers.